Today we'll make Finnish cabbage soup, Kaalikeitto. We'll of course need white cabbage, about 2 pounds, a few carrots and 1 onion. Let's fry the onion first in butter, and then we'll add also minced meat. This is mixed pork and veal, so it's like a 50-50. Then some salt, 1 teaspoon there, and 2 cups of water. Then let's add all the chopped cabbage there. This is why you need a big pot to fit it all in, and the chopped carrots as well. After a while it has been cooking. Let's not add water yet. Less than half a teaspoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of margarine, and let's mix. Oh, but yes, I forgot a couple of bay leaves. They give a nice aroma. The longer you cook this, the better it will taste, so about half an hour minimum. I added here 1 cup of water. You can add as much as you like. And it's ready to eat. Then it's time for syömään, like we say in Finland. Time to eat.